Lo mein, a Chinese classic. Last weekend, me and my wife went out and we ordered 2 plates of chicken lo mein. The price came to $32, $16 a piece. That's crazy. Let me show you how to make this. The cost is going to be $7 or $3.50 a plate. Come on, let's go. First, we're going to start off by cutting up a green pepper. Little blemish there, just cut it off, not a problem. Cut these peppers in strips. Next, we're going to have yellow squash. We have 1 purple onion to the side. Turn our fire on. This tomato is bought on clearance. As long as the tomato is not rotten, as you see, as it gets older, as it gets ripe, it increases in sugar, it increases in flavor. It gives you a deeper, mellower taste. Don't dispose these are worth gold. You want to put your tomato in a little later because of the moisture. If you put moisture in there, if you put moisture in your pan while it's cooking, it will steam and not fry. So let's go in with our green peppers, onions, and squash. Get ready for our garlic. Once again, garlic goes in towards the end also because it will burn. Garlic chopped up. Once again, put this to the side. And also I have some ginger. Take your ginger, smash that like the garlic. This will go in at the same time the garlic, because this, like garlic, will also burn very fast. Time to put in our tomatoes and our garlic. Stir this up. We also have chicken. Have about half a pound of chicken. It's already been cooked off. It goes in there. We have some tofu that we soaked in soy sauce. Tofu takes on the flavor of any ingredient, and you want to put it in something to preserve it. So soy sauce is the alternative. That's what goes in there. We'll put this the very last minute because if you stir it up, it will break up. We don't want to do that. Come together good. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put in some seasoning salt of your choice. I'm using Bandia, if I'm thinking that right, complete seasoning salt. Pretty good stuff. Next we're going to put in some oyster sauce. Very pungent, very strong, very good flavor. Goes well with oil food. And then a little bit of soy sauce. Turn down our fire a little bit. Next we're going to put in some cornstarch mixed with North chicken base. This is really good stuff. A lot of people on the internet, a lot of people on YouTube are using this. Get this stirred in there. You want to cook the cornstarch in, you want to mix everything up in there. Now it's coming in with about 1.5 cups of water. Turn the fire up. Mix this all together. Let this come to a thick sauce. As it will, as you see, the cornstarch binds with the ingredients and makes it thicker. As you continue cooking this down, now we can add our tofu. Fold it in very gently. Turn our fire off. Last but not least, add in our lo mein. And that's it. Mix it up in here very good. Fold the lo mein in. The lo mein will soak up the juice and the broth of all the ingredients. Make it very, very flavorful. This is going to be enough for 2 people. 2 hungry people. And that's it. Well, that was lo mein. Not as hard as you think. Pretty easy to do. I guarantee this for 2 people would be at least $16 a piece if you went to an Oriental restaurant and had that. This is very easy to do, very fast, very flavorful. I'm going to add a squeeze of lime on there. Lime's good stuff. Oh my gosh, delicious. And some peanuts. Classical pad thai, not necessarily lo mein, but I'm going to put them on there. Let's give this a try, see how this is. If I can pick this up without dropping it. Try a piece of tofu. Tofu's good stuff. Big piece. Very, very good. Everything comes together. The flavors are strong. The noodles are healthy and hearty. They hold on to all the broth, the flavors, the chicken. Good stuff. You can make this at home. It's very easy. If you want to see more items that you can make at home, more ways to save money, more ideals, more hints, and helpful tips in the kitchen, subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section what you'd like to see, and share this with your friends. There may be people out there who want to know how to save money, who want to know how to cook for themselves, who do not want to be held captive by the restaurant community and can feed themselves. So until next time, keep going, stay strong, and we'll see you on Real Food, Spend Less. Bye.